inspecting drywall texture. Today, I'm gonna take you around this bathroom here and show you exactly what I look for whenever my drywall guy gets done with texture, and just the little things you wanna look for that can cost you money later on when you bring in your painter. So let me show you what I'm looking for. So you see here that they got this texture on. The very first thing is, of course, I look over the wall, I'm like, that's all great. But the very first thing you really want to look at is up in the corners and make sure that there's a clean separation edge. Because if that texture is heavy and it goes in that, and it's real thick on that corner, when the painters go to cut that line in, it's going to be super wavy. So you can see how it's heavier on the ceiling and lighter on the wall, so it's going to leave a nice line. The other thing you want to look at is when you come down here and you put on your baseboard. So you see it's pretty much always going to be rough down here at the bottom. But you see that there's some issues right here that the guys need to fix. So the baseboard will come up about 3 inches, and there'll be about another 1/4 inch that'll have to come up because there's gonna be tile on the floor. So I'd figure about 3 1/4 inches. I'd come up the wall and make sure that everything above that point is good. So you can see this is right here, probably about 4 inches from the floor. So he's gonna have to fix from right here up. If not, it's gonna look like crap. So the other thing that I see in here, if you look up there on that ceiling, you see how where it's separated. He needs to come back in and scrape that down and tape that corner to make sure that it looks like this over here. So that's definitely what I'm looking for whenever it comes to inspecting drywall texture. And again, you come right down here, you can kind of see how it's not very clean at the bottom. But that's fine because the baseboard is going to cover that. Maybe not that right there. You can see where the old baseboard used to be across. So then this is right above it. So we're going to have to make sure that gets fixed also. So definitely make sure you look at the texture really closely, because right when you walk in, it looks really good. It looks really clean. But whenever you start to figure where your baseboard is going to go at, and then up in your corners, and make sure that's sealed up really nicely. Just want to make sure that those are really, really clean. So I hope this video helps you. If you're getting value from this, go ahead and comment value. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every single time I put up a new video. We'll talk to you. Bye-bye.